Come with us to take a look at our pre-cruise hotel room 1104 at Hotel 1000, Seattle, Washington.
A little bit of conversation, a little bit of relaxation. Across the sea, city to city, come par with me. Tell me when you're ready, ready to leave. With my cruising family, across the skies and sea. Come and par with me, yeah. What you waiting for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me and this cruising family, my cruising family?
Welcome to room 1104 here at Hotel 1000 in Seattle, Washington. The first thing I saw walking in, this here tub. See, look, coming from the door. Look at that. I was like, ooh, I booked this so long ago, I forgot about this layout. So here you have the tub, and there you have the bedroom, but that is glass, a mirror, as you could, not mirror, but a glass wall, as you can see. There's a little reflection, so you can't walk right from the bed into the tub, but it's still pretty nice. And here's the vanity in the bathroom with Santal fragrances. That's what they also have in the bathroom downstairs. Mouthwash, shower cap, makeup rag, and hand soap, of course, and hand lotion. There's space under the sink. There's a hair dryer and trash can. And the shower. Nice shower here with Santal shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. And this, I believe, will be the commode. Yes, it is. The toilet. Okay, so very nice modern look to the bathroom, and there's the bath soap as well, the towel mat, washcloths and things, and a full-length mirror to show you not my cruising family shirt that has stains on it from the travel day, but you know, never mind that. It's a full-length lit mirror. Okay, and here from the bedroom you can see again. So there's a double bed set up here and the couch. Very nice. Very nice. Yo, let's see what the view is giving. This is the view. This is the view. Nothing to write home about, so I'll close these curtains right on back because I could have done without that view. But it's still a very nice hotel room for one night. Pre-cruise out of Seattle. Here we have a little mini bar type space with the actual mini bar down here. Coffee maker and cups and safe. All right, I like this. I really like this. Closet space. Shelving. There we go. All right. Robe and slippers. What? A telephone and bottled water, as well as a television remote and a drawer. A little stiff, but it works. A little workstation right next to the closet area there, with a chair and 4 drawers. Notepad and pen, and just space for your things. We definitely don't need all this space because we're only staying one night. Our bags aren't even getting unpacked because we cruise tomorrow, but this is a really nice option for those looking for a pre-cruise hotel here in Seattle. And this door here slides to close off the bathroom. I just had a knock on the door as I was recording this room tour, and look what was delivered. So nice. All right. Thank you for joining me for this tour. Happy travels.
What you waited for? Just step out that door and explore. Are you ready to par with me and this cruising family? My cruise